All right, welcome to another Miss K example. These are two problems that I've taken out of your book to try and give you a little bit better explanation of the strategy that you can use when dividing decimals by whole numbers. Again, I want to bring up the fact again that we can divide smaller numbers by bigger numbers. Up until now, that's not something that we have tried to do, but it is possible. So in our first example here, number 1, we have 1 and 6/10 divided by 4. So if you look at these circles here, they are representing the 4 groups that you will be dividing the 1.6 into. So because you can't take 1 and somehow put it in 4 groups all by itself, what we can do is use our knowledge of our base 10 blocks and know that 1 whole is going to be equal to 10 of our sticks. So when we look at 1 and 6/10, it's really like we have 16 tenths. So then when we have 16 sticks, then we can start to split them up into those 4 groups. And as they have done here, they have taken turns putting the sticks into the 4 groups, one at a time, one group at a time, and to make sure that they stay equal. So when everything is said and done, and you've gone through all 16 of your sticks, you see that there are 4 sticks in each group. And we know that 4 sticks is equal to, oh, my pen's not working, is going to be equal to 4/10. There's going to be 4/10 in each one of those groups. So if we take 1 and 6/10 and split it up into 4 groups, it will give us 4/10 in each one of those groups, meaning that 4/10 is our answer. On this next one, this one I think was a little bit more challenging the way they had laid it out. They have 3 and 42 hundredths divided by 3, and I don't think this one is as easy to visualize as that first one. What sticks out to me is definitely 1, 2, 3 whole numbers, and then I see that I'm supposed to have 42 hundredths, but I only see 3 hundredths and that 3/10, and then I see some hundredths down here. But what we have to remember is that when we have 10 little cubes, we really have one of the sticks. And when we have 10 of the sticks, we really have one of the flats. So, and I can count these down here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my other tenth, and that gives me 2 left over for my 200ths. Perfect. So when they divide 3 and 42 hundredths into 3 groups like they've done here, 1, 2, 3, that shows us that in each group we have 1 whole, we have 1/10, 1 stick, and we have 4 hundredths, 4 cubes. So if we were to take 3 and 42 hundredths and split that up into 3 groups, divide it into 3 equal groups, each group will have 1 and 14 hundredths in it.